Hello class, today we're going to be talking about VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, what's the differences, and why one might be better than the other. So for those of you that don't know, we're going to go over both formulas and how they work. So I've got a quick little menu here that we're going to work off of. You've got the menu item or the food type, the area where you might find the food, the price of the food, and then its weight. So what VLOOKUP does, vertical lookup, is it says look in a particular column of this table. VLOOKUP always is the first column of the table. Then go over a certain number of columns to return to me another value. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to VLOOKUP brownies and we're going to ask it to return us the price of $5. So how this is going to work, we're going to type in our VLOOKUP. We're looking up brownies. Our table array is this table right here. The column index number, meaning which column do you want the return to come from. It's easier if I just tell you it's 3. First column is this column B. This would be 1. 2 if you wanted the type of food column. 3 for price. 4 for weight. And then finally, we want exact match. And enter. We return 5 for the $5. How does XLOOKUP work? So we're going to start with our XLOOKUP. We're again looking up brownies. Lookup array, meaning what column are you looking for? This one we can be a little less specific and just click on the entire column B. Return array being, hey, where's the column that you want the return value to be? We're going to pick column D. And then all these extra values are extras. So if the value isn't found, what do you want it to return? How do you want it to match criteria? How do you want it to search if there's rounding? In this case, we're looking for exact values. We don't need to fill that out. So we can stop there, and you can see they both return the same thing. Now, what if I wanted to do this backwards? What if I said, you know what? I want to spend exactly $7. What can I buy for $7? Well, what if we did this? We did equals VLOOKUP. We're looking up $7. Now remember what I said before. You have to start with the column where the value is. So you would have to start with price, but you can't go backwards with VLOOKUP. So you might say, oh, what if I do this? I'll go here, and then maybe I'll try a -2 because I'm going 2 columns to the left. False. No, you cannot. So VLOOKUP, as great as it is, it cannot go backwards. How about XLOOKUP? We're looking up $7. We find it in this column. We want the return to be this column. And what do you know? Chicken noodle. So that's the beauty of XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP allows you to look in different columns, going in different directions, and also will let you start anywhere. VLOOKUP, your first column has to be where it is. So if I want to look up dessert and then find the weight, I'd have to pick this. I can't pick the whole column. Versus XLOOKUP, I just pick, all right, starts in this column. I want the return here. So hopefully that's a good little quick lesson on differences between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Hope that helped.